Welcome to our lazy RV kitchen. We are currently in Charleston, South Carolina at James Island
County Park.
That's where we're camping. So we're kind of in between Charleston and Folly Beach. So today we're going to be making burrito bowls. So I'm going to start off cooking the rice. So I use my Instapot. I need a bigger table. Put a little oil. Keep the rice from sticking. And because we're going to be doing burrito bowls, I'm going to be cooking a bunch of rice. So about one 16-ounce package of rice goes in. We'll add some seasoning. We'll add some garlic powder. So about a tablespoon of garlic powder. And the same amount of cumin. It's also very windy, so you may see. Now my favorite thing to cook with is chicken stock. Mainly because it's going to give more flavor. It's going to make your rice a little more tender. So I have 32 ounces of chicken stock that I'm going to add to my Instapot. You could do this burrito bowl with brown rice. You could do it with quinoa. You could do it with pasta. It's really just a burrito in a bowl. What I like about the Instapot is that it has preset features. So there's a rice feature, there's pressure cook, so we get that all nice and ready. And now it's going to start working. Alright, so we're going to put the toppings on our Blackstone. So I've got some beef carne picada. And I'm going to season it up a little bit. I'm going to add some garlic powder. My favorite seasoning to use is cumin. So I really like to go heavy with the cumin. Not that heavy. Don't make a mess. It'll be alright. Everything is fine. And some chili powder. Okay. Now I'm basically going to throw it on our hot Blackstone. Throw everybody there. Okay. Add a little more seasoning to the other side. Remember, we want to season all of our meats. Season the meats, everyone. Season the meats.
And the grill.
And the grill. You never know when you might need to add some flavor. It'll be fine. And also, for any women out there, women can grill too. Alright, now, the important part is right now we don't touch it. We don't move the meat. We don't play with the meat. We let it sit there. We let it get caramelized. It will tell us when it's ready to move. hold on. Is it in here? Hold on. So we are going to, we've let the meat brown on the other side. Now it's time to flip her. Got a really good caramelization going on. It will not take much longer for it to cook. It's real thin. But we do want it to cook on all sides. Okay. I'll let it sort of hang out. And I'm going to add one of my favorite things, and that is green enchilada sauce. We're just going to let it kind of cook, kind of do its thing. Let everybody sort of get in the pool. I'm going to make sure. I'm turning the heat down a little bit. Now, while I've got this kind of going, just sort of, you know, finishing up the cooking process, I'm going to add a little bit more oil on this side, and I'm going to cook some peppers and onions. Now, when you're camping, sometimes it is just helpful to buy the big pack of pre-sliced peppers and onions.
Especially when the name of your channel is Lazy RV Cooking.
Yeah, lazy. Add a little garlic powder. And immediately you just smell the onions, you smell the peppers. And we are just going to let them hang out. Let this sort of cook down. Whoops. Alright, we're going to leave them alone for right now. And we're just going to let everybody kind of finish cooking. And we're going to let our rice cook. And then we're going to show you all the toppings that you can put on your burrito bowl. Okay, it would be really awesome if YouTube had smell-o-vision. I could just like, whoosh, fajita smell. Whoosh, fajita smell. Also got my nails done on Friday. It was very pretty. But yeah, it would be wonderful if YouTube like could let you smell it, because then you would definitely want to cook it. So now we're going to build our burrito bowl. So first we're going to take a big scoop of rice that we seasoned with chicken stock and garlic powder and cumin. Now I like to put my cheese on before the meat. Add kind of your layer of cheese. A little more. Alright. Then I'm going to slide the meat over closer to me. And I'm going to add some meat. Alright. We're going to add some peppers and onions. Add a little bit more because we like our friends. Then I'm going to add a good dollop of, I really like the avocado verde guacamole, but really any guacamole from your local grocer will do, as long as you like the flavor of it. We'll add a little bit of this cilantro lime sauce to the meat. And then topping it off with a little Mexican crema. And there you have it, y'all. We have burrito in a bowl. Suggest you cook because you can make it a lot cheaper than you can go to the Mexican restaurant, especially if you have margaritas.